Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. So we're here today to go over some numbers, and I thought it would be fun to practice counting our numbers and skip counting today. So I brought Abby and Emmy along with me to do our counting for us. So they're going to start with counting by twos, and if you can count with us, get up on your feet because we're going to jump because we have 2 feet. So every time our feet land, we're going to count a number, okay? So, are we ready? Here, let me move the table so you guys can see Abby and Emmy jumping. Alright, ready guys? Alright. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Very good. All right. You guys get that? All right. Next, we're going to practice counting by fives. And how many fingers do we have in our hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys. So let's give high fives and count by fives. Just one hand at a time because we're only counting by fives. All right, ready? Here. I'll go in the middle. All right, ready? And we're going the whole way to what?
100.
100. All right, let's see if we can get there. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. All right. Next, let's count by tens. All right. So now we're going to use 2 hands because that gives us how many fingers? 10 fingers. All right. Ready, Abby and Emmy? Going to 100.
10, 20, 30,
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good job, girls. All right, next on our papers, we introduced a new coin, okay? And this is a big coin. It's called a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents, all right? So, 25 cents is a quarter, and it has George Washington on the front, and then it has, the backs can all be a little different because they did something called state quarters a while ago. So every state has a different quarter and it looks a little different, but they're all about the same size. And they're the biggest coin we've learned so far. So let's count by 25. So we're going to give Emily 1, that's 25. Abby gets 1, 50, 75, 100.
I can hold that one.
You can hold that one too? Thank you. All right, so let's try counting here. We have 25, 50, 75, 100. Let's try that again. Ready? 25, 50, 75, 100. So it takes 4 quarters to make a whole dollar. All right? And we're going to practice money next week. I'm going to set up a store. We're going to go shopping for Josh, for some things Josh might need. So be practicing your coins so that you can help me figure out how to buy Josh what he needs. Lastly, I want to go over some flashcards. All right, we're going to review the fives family today, okay? So we have 0 plus 5 equals?
5.
Good job, Emily. 1 plus 4 equals?
5.
5, very good. 2 plus 3?
5.
5. All the answers are 5. Imagine that. 3 plus 2?
5.
5. And 4 plus 1?
5.
Very good. So here, all right, now I'm going to show you, let's count the bees on the back. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. All right, let's give this equation. Emily, can you give us this equation? We have how many bees at the top?
4.
4 plus
1.
equals, how many, Abby?
5.
5. Very good. All right. Abby, give me this equation. How many bees do we have at the top?
3.
3 plus, how many bees are on the bottom?
2.
2
Equals 5.
5. Very good. We'll do one more. All right. How many bees are at the top, Emily?
1.
1. And how many bees are on the bottom?
4.
5. 4. So our equation is 1
plus 4 equals 5.
Very good. All right, and the last thing I wanted to show you guys, because you all have done a great job guessing what's growing in my eggs, we're going to take another look at them. So we found out that it's a duck growing in my eggs. That's what Abby told us in our phonics video at the beginning of the week. So come on over. I'm going to show you what we do to our eggs, that we can see what's inside of them and see if they're growing or not. It's called, does anyone remember what this is called that our eggs are living in right now? Do you remember, Abigail?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it?
An incubator.
Incubator, right. It keeps our eggs nice and toasty and warm. So each day we have to take our eggs and we have to turn them a little bit. Oh, don't turn that on just yet. We have to turn them and rock them to make sure to, just like they would be rolled around underneath their mummy's belly. But our biggest egg here, that I think is doing the best, is number 7. Remember how we numbered all our eggs so we know which one's which? And we do something called candling, and it's where we take a light and we shine it inside the egg, and then we can see what's going on. So when you look inside my egg here, do you see see the dark orange color and see the red veins? And then up at the top, we see like a brown spot that's kind of moving around, a brownish blackish spot. That's our duck growing on the inside. How cool is that? I think that it is pretty cool. So I think number 7 is going to give us a duck. I'm hoping and praying that number 7 will give us a duck.
I think number 1 is going to give us a dinosaur.
Yeah, I don't think a dinosaur, but let's check. See? Oh, number 1 has a black spot too, and it's got some veins, so maybe a duck's growing in there. We might not get a duck out of all of these, because look at number 4. I think it was number 4 that wasn't doing very good. Yeah, see, number 4 looks just like a regular egg. If you took a candle to the egg in your refrigerator, this is what it would look like. So I don't think there's anything going on in number 4. No ducks are growing. Boo-hoo. But hopefully we'll get a few. I'm praying we get at least 1. Can you pray with me that I get 1 duck out of all my eggs?
Not a dinosaur.
Not a dinosaur. I don't know that we can handle a dinosaur, but Josh would probably like that. So, all right, kindergarten. Well, it was fun being with you this morning, and I hope you guys have a great day. Do your work. Abby's almost done with her worksheets. She just has 1 more to do. And, all right. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.